Hi, did you know that stress can significantly impact your health after 40? It can speed up the aging process, reduce your memory, focus, and energy levels. In this video, I will share with you 6 stress relieving tips that have been essential in helping me maintain mental clarity and physical health at 57. And they can do the same for you. If you want to know how, keep watching. These 6 tips I'm about to share with you help me go from feeling overwhelmed and stressed to being mentally sharp, energized, and stress-free. If you are over 40 and struggling with stress, brain fog, or low energy, this video is for you. With these simple strategies, you will regain control and start feeling better very fast. Let's go for them. Tip number 1, morning ritual. Let's talk about my first tip, creating a morning ritual that's just for you. When I was younger, I used to jump out of the bed and immediately start rushing around. Big mistake. Now I give myself at least 15 minutes of peaceful me time every morning. Try this. Before checking your phone or turning on the news, just sit quietly with a cup of tea or coffee. Take some deep breath. Maybe write down 3 things you are grateful for. It's simple, but starting your day calmly instead of chaotic can change everything. Your stress hormones stay lower all day long. Tip number 2, movement snacks. Tip number 2 is what I call movement snacks. And no, it's not a new protein bar. After 40s, sitting too long is terrible for both stress and our bodies. But here's the good thing. You don't need to do hour-long workouts to feel better. Instead, try taking 3 to 5 minutes movement snacks throughout your day. Stand up, stretch your arms overhead, do a few squats, or just walk around your house. I set a timer on my phone that reminds me every hour to move around. It's been amazing for my energy levels and my stress. Tip number 3, breath work. My third tip might sound too simple, but it's actually backed by science. It's all about breathing. When you are stressed, your breathing gets shallow and fast. This makes your body stay in stress mode, but you can hack this system. Try this. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 1 second. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Do this just for 1 minute whenever you feel stressed and you feel your body calm down. I do this every morning and evening before meetings or performances, when traffic is bad, or anytime I feel necessary. As you already know, I'm 57 at the time of this recording, and I feel more energetic, more focused, and more in tune with myself than I ever did in my 40s. I want you to benefit from the same strategies I've used and still use to feel this good every day. So I created a free PDF guide to help you feel the same way. When you download it, you will discover how to wake up with more energy and keep it throughout the day. Clear your mind, feel sharper and more focused. Handle stress better without feeling overwhelmed. Feel more confident, both in your body and in your mind. And most of all, reconnect with your vitality and joy. If you are ready to feel good, strong, clear, and alive, The link is in the description right below. Tip number 4, nature therapy. Tip number 4 is what I call my nature therapy. After 40, we need to be extra intentional about getting outside. Research shows that just 20 minutes in nature significantly lowers stress hormones. You don't need to hike a mountain. Just find a park, garden, a river, a tree-lined street. Leave your phone in your pocket and really start noticing the colors of the leaf, the sounds of the birds, the feeling of the sun or breeze in your skin. I make sure to get my nature therapy at least 3 times a week, and it's changed completely how I handle stress. Tip number 5, evening wind down. My 5th tip is creating an evening wind down routine. After 40, good sleep becomes even more important for stress management. But many of us are still looking at screen right up until bedtime. Try this instead. About an hour before bed, dim the lights in your home. Put your phone away. Try to keep it even in another room. Do something relaxing. Read a book, take a warm shower, or listen to a calm music. This signals to your body that it's time to release melatonin and get ready for deep sleep. When I started doing this, my stress levels the next day dropped dramatically. Tip number 6, saying no. My final tip might be the hardest, but the most important. Learning to say no without guilt. After 40, we often have more responsibilities than ever. Caring for kids, parents, work, managing homes. It's really a lot. I've learned that every yes to something means saying no to something else. Often that something else is your well-being. Instead of agreeing to everything right away, try saying, let me check my schedule and get back to you. It's okay to prioritize your mental health. And I know by fact that the world will keep going and you will actually be more present and energized for the things that really matter. There you have it, my 6 favorite stress busting tips that have helped me stay energetic and sharp after 40. Which of these tips you will try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn how to supercharge your brain in less than 5 minutes, check this video right here. Take care and I will see you in the next video. Bye.